Recently, I had a very good friend of mine reach out and ask how he can get started in real estate investing. Now, with over 15 years of experience in the financial sector spanning from banking, insurance, retirement planning, and of course real estate investing, I've seen firsthand how over 90% of millionaires have amassed their wealth through real estate. So if you're looking to learn a little bit more about the different avenues you can explore in real estate investing, you're in the right place because today I'm going to share those same insights with you. First, we'll talk about the buy and hold strategy. Most people don't realize that if you own a property now, you're already a part of the real estate investing community. Now, when it comes to investing, buying and holding is one of the fundamental strategies in this field because you're acquiring a property with the long game in mind. Now, this may be the house that you currently call home, the house that you build your memories in. The longer you own a piece of property, the higher the likelihood that that value is going to increase. Now, if you sell a property for more than you owe on that property, that profit or that equity is the financial gain that you get out of this investment. Next, we're going to talk about one of the most popular types of real estate investing, which is house flipping. This is going to be for the person who's okay with taking a little bit more risk and has a good eye for finding properties with potential. It's all about purchasing properties and creating your own equity, either through renovations, rehabs, or adding square footage. When flipping houses, you gotta keep in mind it's not always about finding houses that are about to fall apart or finding houses that need a complete overhaul. Sometimes finding homes that just need a simple modern update can still turn a decent profit with a quicker turnaround time and less risk. But to truly succeed, you need to have an in-depth understanding of your local market, a solid grasp on construction costs to avoid getting taken advantage of, and a thorough knowledge of local building codes and regulations to keep your projects on track. Flipping houses can be extremely time consuming, especially if you're on site every day, which may make it harder to find new deals. So there are a lot of investors that use acquisition companies or wholesalers to find deals for them. So as a wholesaler, your job is to identify a property, negotiate the price, get it under contract, then you can sell that contract to an investor for a fee. This fee is usually referred to as an assignment fee or a marketing fee. Let's say, for example, you have a property under contract for $500,000, but you have an investor who will pay $550,000 for that same property. That $50,000 difference, that's your assignment or marketing fee. That's the profit that you take home from that transaction. Even though wholesaling doesn't require as much capital as flipping a home, you still want to make sure you have enough money for your EMD or your earnest money deposit. This is pretty much a show of good faith that you're serious about purchasing the property. It's customary for EMDs to range anywhere between 1% and 3%, but it isn't uncommon to have a property under contract for less than that. Depending on how contracts are written, your EMD can either be refundable or non-refundable, so you want to do extensive research before you make your first offer on a home so you don't lose your money. For those who prefer the hands-off approach, you have the world of passive real estate investing. If you have extra cash and you want to get into house flipping, but let's say you don't want to do the hands-on work, you can always partner with somebody who's flipping houses for a return. Generally, the returns range anywhere from 8 to 12% unless you have equity in the deal. You also have real estate syndications where people pool their money together with the common goal of investing in real estate and earning a profit. Or maybe you're drawn to real estate investment trusts where you can invest money in the stock market and receive dividends. Although real estate investing can be extremely lucrative, you want to make sure you do extensive research before you invest your money anywhere. It's possible to lose some, if not all of your money on any given real estate deal. I'm primarily sharing this information with you to help empower you on this journey. So stay positive, keep grinding, you got this. If you want more content like this, feel free to like, subscribe, turn the notification button on. Until next time.